Hi guys, I'm Martin from r-tutorials.com. As a biostatistician and data analytics trainer, I am using Excel on a daily basis. This course has a focus on data visualization in Excel. Data visualization is a very important tool for your analytics toolbox, so I would highly recommend to take a close look at this course if you are not yet familiar with Excel charting. In this course, you will at first get an introduction to the charting theory. You will learn about the most common used charts, and you will also learn which chart you can use for a given set of data. After that, I will give you an overview on all the tools Excel offers to modify and tailor your charts. And then there is also a whole section which shows you how you can create the most common types of charts. So for example, I will show you how you can create line charts, area charts, scatter plots, bar charts, bubble charts, or also pie charts. Please note that this is a beginner's course. I will start from scratch and explain in a systematic way all tools you need to create standard charts in Excel. If you are already used to Excel charts, you might look for a more advanced course on Excel data visualization. Please do not forget to switch your streaming device to high definition for a better video quality while watching this tutorial. While I was using Excel 2013 for my screencasts, you will of course also be able to use most of this information in Excel 2010, since both softwares are quite similar. Should you have any questions, you can of course open a discussion within the course, or you can also send me a private message. If you want to learn more about data visualization and data analysis, you can of course also go to r-tutorials.com. Alright, I wish you all the best, have fun, and I'll see you inside.